Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to take a look at respiratory system, and under that we are going to cover introduction to respiration, types of respiration, characteristics and process of respiration. Let us begin with introduction to respiration. Okay. Energy is needed by living as well as non-living things to do work. Without energy, they stop doing work. Our body needs energy to carry on with its activities. So where do we get this energy from? The food we eat is broken down into simpler forms during digestion. The digested food is then absorbed by the walls of the intestine and carried by blood to different parts of the body. This process of energy production takes place the whole day. That's obvious, right? Yes. Respiration can be represented as digestive food plus oxygen and then arrow, energy plus waste products. So this is how you can represent respiration. Characteristics of respiration. Respiration is characterized by the following methods. Firstly, food is used up. Secondly, energy is produced. And thirdly, exchange of gases occurs. Oxygen is used up and carbon dioxide is given out. Respiration is a process common to all plants and animals. It is a process whereby living organisms produce energy from the food they eat. This energy is necessary for various life activities. Oxygen is required for this process and carbon dioxide is formed as a waste. Let us move on to take a look at the types of respiration. Respiration is of two types based on whether oxygen is used up in this process or not. So the types are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Most organisms require oxygen for respiration. Such a respiration is known as aerobic respiration. So this is how you represent it. Food plus oxygen is carbon dioxide plus water plus more energy. Okay, anaerobic respiration. There are, however, some organisms like yeast and some bacteria which do not require oxygen. They can live without oxygen. Respiratory process in the absence of oxygen is called as anaerobic respiration. So this is how you can represent it. Food and then is ethyl alcohol plus carbon dioxide plus less energy. Differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. It takes place in the presence of oxygen, whereas in anaerobic respiration, it takes place in the absence of oxygen. Food molecules that is nothing but sugars are completely broken down into carbon dioxide and water, which releases energy. I'm sorry. Yes. Whereas in anaerobic respiration, food molecules are partially broken down into ethyl alcohol, carbon dioxide, and energy. Energy release is more in aerobic respiration, but energy release is much less in anaerobic respiration. Now let us move on to take a look at the process of respiration. The process of respiration consists of two major stages. The first one is breathing or external respiration, a physical process in which an organism takes in, which is nothing but inhales oxygen, and gives out, that is nothing but exhales carbon dioxide. So this is breathing or external respiration. This process involves exchange of gases only. Now the second one, internal respiration or cellular respiration, a chemical process in which food molecules are broken down into simpler molecules within cells and energy is produced is known as internal respiration. Now let us move on to take a look at the differences between them. Now the first one, breathing. It is a physical process in which exchange of gases, that is O2 and CO2, takes place. It is a chemical process or a biochemical process in which food molecules are oxidized to carbon dioxide and water. Now the second one, it occurs outside the cell. Here it occurs inside the cell. The third one, enzymes are not involved, but here enzymes take part. Now the fourth one, No energy is released here. Energy is released in a gradual and a stepwise manner. Thank you. See you soon. And do watch the third and the second video of the same lesson. Thank you again.